slowly getting the car back together, ready for show season. Everything is dirty as all hell. I thought I'd share this with you guys. This caught like that up underneath one of the felt liners underneath the car. I guess it missed all my tires and didn't puncture anything, but it's well, finger for size, almost 1/4 of an inch of steel with a whole bunch of offshoots. I have no idea what it's from, but somebody's lost it off the back of their vehicle. I don't know. Everything's getting pretty intense with the car meet. I posted it on Facebook, and it looks like there could be a ton of people there. I was hoping to have the wing off. That's not going to happen until I have something to replace it, because my silicone job was incredibly good. I thought I lost the wing a few times. It turns out I couldn't lose it if I tried. It would take the whole trunk with it. So it's been an interesting winter and spring coming in, seeing where everything's at. The Stone, or the ZL1 add-ons tow hook, it's actually still doing pretty good. You can see the retainer here is a little rusted, but I did lubricate it, so it moves freely and it still looks pretty good. It'll get washed up when I'm washing everything. I do have a huge mark on my rim. No idea how. Where are you? Right here. So I'm sure you can see that. Nice little gray spot. I do have an idea of how to fix it, although it will both get some praise and some hate. Either way, the ZL1 add-on, or the ZL ACS Composite ZL1 parts are insane. Every time I see this car, it just makes me smile. I'm hoping to get a deck lid from them. We'll do the deck lid with the wicker bill. I think that'll be a good look to accent these. Front air dams, canards, whatever you want to call it, and the side skirts. Everything about this car is just insane, but I am getting a lot of transmission shudder. I will admit that. Cruising down the highway at one consistent speed, it does vibrate quite a bit. It seems to be getting a bit worse, and it's, again, like I was at the dealer 2 months ago, and I'm still waiting to hear from them to get the parts and the tools in order to fix it properly, which has been quite disappointing, but it's well out of my control. I'm just so focused on the car show season and getting my trailer ready and everything, so you guys have something to look at when we come down. The hitch, the trailer, and everything will be there. It's going to be one of my staples, so I'm going to make sure that it comes out loud and proud. Still running factory exhaust, MBRP. I don't know what I'm doing with them. I thought I had a bit more progress made, but apparently I did not. But I am just getting over pneumonia. I can now eat and drink without feeling bloated. Haven't done that in about 3 months. I'm just feeling a lot better in general. My lifting's back up to good. I'm cooking and eating and living, and we're going to do some traveling. I'm headed to Montreal at the end of May. I'm going to be all over the place. It's going to be an amazing year. So I just thought I'd give you some updates. Car show, there's 220 maybes. There's, I think, 35 confirmed, so it's going to be a good size meet. It could be a really big meet, and I'm a little concerned either way, but we'll see how she goes. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. More than anything, I'm just excited to see everybody again and get the car show season started and share everything that's going on. A lot of people still haven't seen the canards. I got them pretty late in the season, so I don't know. It's going to be an interesting year. Not a ton planned, but just getting everything sorted. So I thought I'd give you guys a bit of an update and share this nasty piece of business that I got dragging under the car. Oh my goodness, I would love to inflict a substantial amount of damage to people at times, because they're going to cost me thousands of dollars in damage for negligence and just not caring. But I don't know. I'm excited. Nobody's really seen the new graphics on the front. Obviously, Stone Show will be removed. That ugly plate will be removed. Chris. So, let's get it going on. Hope to see everybody there and having a good time. Until next time, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.